Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Okay, so I did a list here. I said about to wake up, or they just started to wake up a little bit. And now I need to warn you that this is it could be problematic, because if they just awaken and Bitcoin is making this shallow wave forward, then we're okay, we're going to be fine. But if Bitcoin is not doing this, and you're actually going to do that, then forget about it. We're going to get wrecked. So this is the warning. I know everybody thinks that now it's the altcoin season, or it's season time, altcoin season time or altcoin time, but it doesn't work like that. And usually market doesn't do what people want. So more likely it could be that it's technically really literally not the good time for altcoins. Well, yes, altcoin they did pump, but maybe they're going to do a dump. So it's key is to be realistic and put sell stop limit and be aware of the movement of Bitcoin, because if it goes slowly and on the side and something like that, it's not going to drag too much down the altcoins, and that's fine. But otherwise, doomed. Okay, so let's start. We have Kati, and now you need to notice I'm going to stay on the daily, and I'm just going to do an overview of these coins. Okay, so that's crazy because it just skyrocketed today, or in 2 days. So you can see we still had this downtrend here. This is the bear market downtrend, and you can see that literally 3 days ago, 2 days ago, it really exploded, and now it's here. So I'm not saying it's a very good buy. And now this is crazy. I have so many coins already. I cannot do technical analysis for all of them. So, but I would say just look like this. Actually, I do have some Coti, but very minimum. I would say this is like one. Okay, so this, in my opinion, this is a one, this is a two. We're working on the three, and eventually 4 and 5. So I'm going to show you, or try to show you, what I see here, and then what we should do. And then after that, you can pick and choose the coins that you are looking, or maybe you spot something that does something similar. So clearly he is doing an ABC, but it's too short. And so I'm going to count this as a A. This is the, okay, I didn't pick the good thing. Okay, let me readjust a little bit more precise. Okay, so I'm going to take the levels for the wave C. And okay, so you can see we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio. Let me clean up a little bit some levels. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, so let me label them now. So this to me was A, this is the B, and this is the C. So 1-to-1 ratio, pretty much bang on. And I count this as a 1. And for me, this is a 2. So visually, you can see that it's about the same length. And now we're going to do the fib retracement. So from the beginning of this wave to the end, so we go here, take the settings for the wave 2, take out the levels that we don't need because already went deeper. So 0.618, actually this is a very optimal level. And yeah, so this is it's really working out. So once again, we did an ABC, we counted this as a wave 1, retested, and yeah, this downtrend acted once again as a resistance. We charged up here, we did a very nice wave 2. If I bring the RSIs, you can see that here, when we were challenging this downtrend, the RSIs were overbought. So this is one of the reasons we didn't manage to break. And then here after that we had the time to recharge, so almost oversold both of them. And then so now we had more strength. We went here, got rejected again, but as you can see, we didn't got annihilated in the RSI. We just went back to the 50 area, and then now it's amazing. We broke out. Now, could it be possible that we're going to make a retest? Yeah, actually, this would be maybe even the ideal level if it does a retest here, or perhaps this level here. Oh my god, the messages are annoying. So it goes here like this, make a quick retest, and then it goes. That would be to me, maybe I'm going to accumulate a little bit more. Now let's estimate what can be the target. So let's take the full screen. So we do an extension this time. So I take from the beginning to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2. Take the settings for diagonal left side because I prefer like that. I'm going to take out the 1-to-1 ratio. So, well, actually, yeah, you know what? I'm going to leave the 1-to-1 ratio because I am expecting maybe a little bit of reaction there. And then if this is not working out and price reverse at this level, then perhaps this is just a pullback and we continue to go down, which it wouldn't make sense because now we're officially in a bull market. But so I'm going to put this in red, and there you go. So I'm expecting at least 90, let's say 20 cents, between 20 and 22 cents for this third wave. Okay, so next one, it's Veracity. So once again, you can see that, let me zoom out a little bit. This one, it didn't go yet. It's really delaying, but you see what I'm saying? If Bitcoin make a deeper pullback and this little guy, this little fellow doesn't hurry up to at least go and retest this downtrend, then it's going to make a new lower low, and then forget about it. It's going to miss time and it will never reach this previous high. So be careful with this one. But you could do the same thing, right? Maybe this is an A, a B, and a C. More likely it did a little bit more than 1-to-1 ratio, maybe 1.38, and this was a wave 2 and working on the third one. So I'm just giving you ideas, and then after that you can go and pick and choose the one you think are interesting for you guys. So this one, it just broke out. This is VeChain. Now, are we sure that it's going to go back to 30 cents? No, but at least I can see 5 waves up. So this waves was here, and then we did a pullback, 0.786 almost. That's good. And now, at least we're doing something. And yesterday we just break out from this downtrend. So now, yeah, it's honestly, we really need to just check and monitor the levels, what they're doing. This should be in the same color as that one, otherwise it's misleading. All right, so what is this? 4. Okay, I'm going to put it there for a moment. We're not there yet. Let's at least work on this third wave. Actually, I think maybe already reached the, let me take the diagonal left. So we already have some levels here. So we did reach the 1.236. That's amazing. I'm just clear out. I'm going to. All right, so that's amazing. 1.38. Now, can it go higher? Yes, it can. Ideally, 1.618 would be great. And after that, yes, we're going to have a fourth wave. Okay, so that's good. And coincidentally, while this fourth wave could be just happening to be a very amazing retest for this very long-term downtrend, then we have the Theta token. Also, this little guy, zooming out, reaching near this very long-term downtrend. So there is hope. I shouldn't say hope, but at least there is price action, right? So we have action, and I could count this as a 1 and all this as a 2, or I'm not sure if I can say all this is a 1 and this is a 2, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Let me see here. Let's see if I go and get tempted with this 1-2 like this. You can see that almost reached the 1.38. So now I'm doing this quickly, and I hope maybe you can take more your time and verify which count would be better. Would be better to put the one here or to put it here. Honestly, I think I prefer to have it here, so I have 3 wave up for the wave A, wave B, wave C. But either or, you can see that there isn't much difference. So this is another coin that definitely is going to go and try to challenge this trend, more likely. And if it can go higher, then even better. I mean, the third wave could even reach the 2x or the 2.618, even 2.236, and then the 4 could go here. This would be your retest. And lately we can see that altcoins are making extensions, so it could go much higher, like XRP, like Sandbox, like Cardano, just to name a few. We have Say. Well, Say today it's skyrocketing, so this is proving its power, right? Because Bitcoin is down and this little guy is 15% up. So I count this as a 1 and a 2. And now I honestly, this is a very long chart. I don't remember when I did that. I was doing that before. Yeah, okay. I wouldn't count this as a third wave. I think I'm going to put it more here. Uh, did I do the fib extension? Yeah, no, because I did the 1, 2. Okay, so I took the length of the wave 1 to the wave 3, and I put the wave 4. So this was the target for the fifth wave, and now we're reaching even possibly higher. But could it be that, I don't know, this is just the 1, 2, and all this is the third wave and going to make a crazy extension? So it's important to just put the extensions here and look if price is reacting. And then after, because to be honest, I would need at least 15-20 minutes to calculate all of them. And you can see that I have so many. And so I'm just sharing what I'm seeing, and if to fight a little bit the FOMO, because I have a lot of my friends that they feel like they missed the boat and their life is technically ended. But I mean, there are so many that they just wake up. We have so much room to go. So no desperation, no FOMO, no. I mean, yeah, there is hope. There is hope. We just started. We just need to survive the next crash. Okay, so please do not go all in. Go slowly. We have so much time left. Don't worry. So possibly a 1-2. This is the third one. I think now maybe I was on the 4 hours. I was trying to figure out this third wave. So wave 2, yeah, wave 3. I'm not sure if this third wave is finished, but you see that we already went higher than the 2.618, and possibly, this is the, we did complete this third wave, and maybe we're doing the fourth wave now. Once again, you can see that what was it? Wave 2 is so long, right? Okay, now this is crazy. This is too short. It doesn't make sense. If it goes a little bit lower, 0.382 at 44 cents, maybe, okay, I'm going to count this eventually a fourth wave, and now this is like not even 1 day or barely, so not a 4 day yet, but something you can look forward. Rose, that's another one that doesn't have crazy history. But you can see that, yeah, it was doing a downtrend, and now it's waking up. Possibly, yeah, I want 2. This is the 3, but then I don't like the 4 here. Too deep. So I would call more this as an A, B, C for the wave 1. This would be a wave 2. And then maybe this is the third wave. And this is what we need, right? We need something with a lot of RSI, and we need power. For a moment, I would wait that RSI would go lower, but it's something to keep an eye on it. never know, maybe it break it, make a retest, it goes on the side, and then it continues, you know. So you wanna watch when the price actually break this very long term down. Okay, so this one is my favorite one. Okay, so we have dot. As you can see, we have Ada, Cardano. So this is how you do it, right? You put alarms and then you go and click. Okay, now we're PYTR. Let me go and check this Ada. So now I'm on the 15 minutes. As you can see, I am checking if it's time to get back in. I believe now it is. We did a very nice wave 3. This is the 4th wave. And I don't know what happened, why I didn't buy more of these ones. So I'm going to take just 2 seconds live. And I'm going to increase my position on ADA. So once again, I did tell you that I have a leverage that I started quite a long time ago. And now I'm just very happy with it. And I'm very pleased to, let me check here now. Very pleased with my with my investing. Very pleased. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. Okay, done. Didn't got it yet. And you know, don't be shy to you know, when you have a levels that you find it's interesting, then you know, go for it. Doing the wrong thing here. Okay, that's passed. Okay, so you know, you go for it slowly, not crazy, just slowly. And you know, well, in my position now, because I bought it so low, I don't mind. And I do have other alarms. If it goes here again, for sure I'm going to, I feel I did miss out here, okay, to be honest, but life is beautiful. Now, as you can see, I have another alarm here. So if it's going to break out, I'm going to increase my position as well. Okay, so now let's go back to our, well, oh no, I was there. About to wake up. So PYR, so Vulcan Forge, also this one, I do find it has a very nice level. So you can see we just break out. And yeah, so this is $3.50 coin. And before was $48. Now, am I saying this coin is going to go back to $48? No, I'm not. But I can tell you that it will try to go and retest this level here. And it's doing some price action. Come on. Okay, so now I have 2 counts here. Is this a wave 1 or this is just an A, B, C? So I'm going to say that I don't know. And I will find out soon. Because if it goes much higher than a 1-to-1 ratio, then I'm going to say this is not an ABC, but this is actually a 1-2. And if it reach the 1.38 or the 1.618, then I'm going to call this a third wave. So sometimes we are not sure, but both indicates upper price direction. And then depending on the height where it stops, then we can complete our wave counts. So this is also a nice coin that I like. We do have near also very good, as you can see, relatively early. But I mean, this is a new coin also, is it? I don't remember. Don't follow that one. Yeah, it's just one cycle barely, right? So I did one bull market, a bear market. It did go 0.886, but you know, for a new coin, that's okay. The only thing is not very good. This is ABC. So I'm expecting another ABC for this third wave. Target, if we are lucky, 1-to-1 ratio we're talking $28.60. I'm rounding it up, even $28, who cares, right? So now it's $6.58, so pretty nice potential gain. And look at this, we just broke out recently from this short-term downtrend, and this red line, it's a very long-term downtrend, and we are challenging it now. So that's something encouraging, and means if it's going to do it and it's going to break out, ideally a retest and then we go. So I don't know why I don't have an alarm, but no, didn't want to do that one. So how do I do it? Well, first of all, my only financial advice I'm going to give on this channel is like, pay or find a way to have multiple alarms. You just put alarms. So here it's a breaking downtrend. Get in. See, as simple as that. And then if that alarm triggers, then I will go in. Well, for sure, when I'm going to get in, after I'm going to put another alarm to when to get out also, okay? Very important. It's not only one direction. So this is Nakamoto. We had a 1-2, very nice third wave. Could have gone even higher, would have been better. We had a fourth wave. You see, when I zoom in a little bit, perfect price action. And now it looks like we are breaking this downtrend, right? So we attempted to break here. It's not a deal done yet. Still working on it. But for the moment, it's not a bad. And also, so here was the fourth wave. I'm seeing this as a diagonal also. So wave 1 here, wave 2, and possibly now. Okay, I need to be honest though. I don't like this movement here. Would have been much better if it stopped a little bit before. I could have done some more micro counting. Honestly, this one, it's a little bit, it is bothering me a little bit. But if we break out again, eventually we're going to go, right? So this is indeed another one that I would love to be given an alarm. Breaking downtrend. Okay, actually I already have some Nakamoto, so that's for that. And once again, if you don't have any, I mean, me, I have much lower, so I'm just increasing my position. If you don't have any, you need to do your own strategy. This is when I get in a stock or a crypto, not necessarily the good strategy for you, so you need to adapt it to your scenario. And this is why, we keep saying on the internet that we're not financial advisor, because a financial advisor is going to actually take your file, take your study, take your income, and analyze your situation to try to make it fit the best for you. And so here we have 3 waves up, wave 1, 3 wave down for a wave 2. I think this now I don't need it. That was to calculate the C wave. And now we're going again. So this is another one that I believe if it breaks this downtrend, once again, you see, it's easy. We just put alarms. Alarms, baby. Put alarms, and then if it goes well, if we have a triggers and we like the structure, when he's going to hit it, then, there you go. Breaking downtrend. Get in. This one, not sure. Interrogation point. Why not? So things are not supposed to be hard, but remember, we need to always be alert on what the hell Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so here, what is that? Mana actually, it's a sleepy giant. He didn't do anything. Very depressing coin. He, in August made the lower low of the cycle. Now it looks like it's reviving, but I mean, this is crazy because It gave us false hope here because I thought it was a possible A, B, C. Then we did a lower low, invalidate the whole count. And now it's giving me this thing. So not easy to estimate. All right, so this is a pretty much not easy way of counting this price action. I need to think about it. And anyway, this video, the purpose of this video is not to shilling any coins, or I'm just, trying to share the coins that I see that they didn't move yet, because there will be a migration or a rotation from one coin to another, and I believe these ones could be the next one. As you can see, look, the half of them are in green, right? So maybe this could be, I don't know. Yeah, I would say maybe this is a very complex one. Maybe I can put an this is a wave 1, WXY, or something like that. But I would count this as a 1, this is a 2, but it's just annoying. This third wave is so long. So that's for that. Lido also, you can see this coin, we are there about breaking this very long-term downtrend. I mean, I could do it a little bit lower here. So I have several touching points. And yeah, so today now we are challenged. As you can see, I'm zooming in. So this could be one that could be flying. And you can see I did a little bit of counting here. Not the perfect one. I really don't like it. At the beginning, I thought this was a 1, but we got invalidated here. And then I count this as a 1 now. Really getting annoyed of this wave 2 because it's very low. And possibly now this is the third wave. If this is the case, we should be reaching 176. And if it doesn't go well, let me put it in orange. This could be just an A, a B, and a C. Now I need to check. Let me redo the extension fibs for this little guy. Okay, so it's actually a little bit higher, so I'm going to remove that one maybe. So that would be a little bit messed up, because the 1-to-1 ratio is going to be the nice level for the third wave. And now, just to not get messed up, I'm going to put at the same color. So that's that would be much better. This also, maybe put it on the right side, left side. Okay, so and the last one, Kava. Well, this I invested in Kava the last bull market. I was really, I can't say I was married. I'm still married to this coin. I'm trying to get a divorce. I'm just waiting for the proper timing. And once again, Kava, it's not you, it's me. But yes, I asked a divorce. So once again, this one is about to reach and challenge this very long-term downtrend. As you can see, I had some time here to analyze a little bit. I count this as A, B, C for the wave 1. This is wave 2, reacted to the nice level. And now we are going. I am expecting this another A, B, C to complete this third wave. So ideally, we do reach 56 cents, 61 cents, and almost 70 cents. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this is pretty much all the coins I want to share. For sure, there are way more than that, but this is the one I don't cover often, and I think they have a great potential now or soon, or they just started to break out. And you should pay attention to these ones now and see how it goes out. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. And also, yeah, comments if you see any other coins that they're about, almost similar setting, about to break out or reaching near the very long-term downtrend. Well, please share them, and then I will try to analyze them, and possibly we can make money on it. All right, have a good day. Bye.